So here's another interesting way that you could get your students to use Google Docs to express their creativity in their own voice by creating a branching story. So, for example, I'm on my page and blah, 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 and then I have two decisions to make. I can go left or I can go right. And maybe I will select all and I will make my font size 30, so everything is that way. So I can either go left or go right. And what I want to do after this, I'll put a page break in, because the key to the branching stories is that a different branch is on a different page. So I'm going to insert a break, which is a page break. And this is going to be my go left break. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in another page break. And this will be my go right break. Now, the key to this is I need to format this text in my branches. I need to highlight them, and instead of normal text, I want to give them a heading. So I'll call that heading number 1. And I'll scroll back up here to the go left branch, and I'll do the same thing. So I'm going to make this a heading number 1 as well. And so what the students will do, and this is what we can work on together, is the students will fill in this page with what happens if they choose to go left in their story. And the students will then fill this page in with what they would do if they happen to go right in the story. And so what we need to do is go back up to our go left and go right choices. I'm going to highlight this go left, and I'm going to link it to one of the headings in my story. So I'm going to link it to go left, and I'm going to link go right to the go right header in my story. So headings and bookmarks, go right. And so how this looks then is that I read my story and I choose to go left, I click on the link, and it takes me to the left story, and I could put another link that takes me back to the original page if I needed to. That's something I can work with you and your students on. Or I can go right in my story, and it takes me to the right side. So here's another way that kids can express their creativity in their own voice by creating a branching story using Google Docs. You could do a similar technique using Google Slides or even using Google Sites. Whatever you want to do, let's work on it and make it happen.